Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Simone, aka Bubbles' daughter, and today I have a slightly different tutorial for you guys. I am going to be showing you all how to do your eyebrows. So these are mine. So if you want to see how to get your eyebrows on fleek, stay tuned. Maybelline Colorstay liquid eyeliner, and it's in the dark brown color. Spoolie. I have a flat concealer brush. A lip pencil from the beauty supply store in color Cocoa. So it's MAC. This is also a lip liner, but it's like a lighter brown, and it's in the color Cork. A cotton swab for any mistakes. The BH Cosmetics 10 color camouflage concealer palette, and the color for my skin tone is this one right here. This palette is so dirty that I conceal my brows with this one. Do highlight and want some shimmer underneath. I use Trophy Wife by Rihanna. First thing that I do is I brush my brows with my spoolie. And right now, I know on video it's gonna look funny because this brow is way higher than this brow. I know that my brows are uneven, but I get my eyebrows threaded. And I try to brush them so that the lower one looks a little higher. But once I have them brushed into place and I get the shape that I want to make, what I do is I take the more dark brown pencil and I don't go from the beginning of my brow. I go I leave a little space in the beginning and I go underneath and I make like a line, I guess. So I line the under part of my brow. I'll go in and do the top part. And it's just shading it in. And then once I got that, I'll kind of color it in, color in the tail. And I just lightly go so if I gave myself a little bit of room in the beginning and I started my dark line here, that's why I'll kind of pick up and do the top part. So I go just straight up. I gave myself the same amount of room in the front and I go straight up and I start from the same spot. So this brow is a little too round for my liking, so I'm gonna drag out. I want my arch over a little bit, but I move it over. Take my cork color and the space that I left out in the beginning of the brow, I use a lighter color to fill this, and so I'm going to use this to fill that in. So what I do is I just go to that beginning part and I underline the bottom and I underline the top. And if I do fill in the beginning of the brow, I do brush here, I go up. I don't color in, I color up, short little strokes upward. And I like a square brow. I take my spoolie and I go and I clean, I brush over it and I brush it into place how I want it. Again. And I might go back and fill. I don't fill the beginning of my brow in too much because I don't want it to look too dark and too harsh. I'll go in where the chocolate brown is and kind of fill that in a little bit. If I need to, light little strokes. I'm not putting a lot of force, light strokes. This brow's looking kind of thick, I know, but it looks pretty clean underneath. When I don't conceal my brows, because I have days where I don't conceal my brows, I'll take the liquid liner in the dark brown, and I will just go over the tail portion to make it look more precise. I'll just go, oop, made a mistake. I'll just go right over the tail. I do not do the whole brow because it'll look too harsh, but I'll just go over the tail portion. So like from the arch down. When I make mistakes, that's what this Q-tip is here for. Or it is cleaned up. This is an e.l.f. professional eyeliner brush. And I'm going to take it in the color, this one right here. And I'm just going to take a little on there. And I just, like, you know how everyone does, I line. Not too much though, you don't want too much on your brush. So if you have to dab some off, do it. I line, I kind of like line and drag underneath my eyebrow. And if I have extra product in the front, I'll use it for the back. For the top part, I do not line my eyebrow. I take it and hold it like this to the side and just sweep it, clean it up from the side. And I just do it like this. This is the way I hold it, so it doesn't create a harsh line on top. So now that that's done, I'm like, okay, that looks, I'll check the width and thickness of it. I like thick eyebrows. Like, I like the thickness of this. So what I do is, I then go in and blend it out. And even if you need to use your Q-tip, you can use that to help clean it up. If you're not wearing makeup, like if you're just doing your brows and you're not doing the full beat, I go over with a wet Q-tip and I get a lot of that concealer and stuff off, because you don't want it to look like, you know, you have a face full of concealer and you're not wearing a full face of makeup. So that's what I do. And then as far as highlighting, you can take a flat brush like this, but I'm just gonna take a regular eyeshadow brush. And all I do is, it's highly pigmented, so it doesn't take a lot. I dip it into my trophy wife, and I just highlight like mainly the arch. So I just go under and I hit that arch real good. And I just dust the color under the arch. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then I'll go back in and just kind of blend it out. Give it a little glimmer. I'm gonna show y'all how the full face looks later. Bye. All right, welcome back, guys. So that was the eyebrow tutorial, and I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for the people who voted on this video and wanted to see this. So thanks for watching, and I just want to ask that if you aren't subscribed to my channel, that you subscribe right now and hit that little bell notification so you can hit the bell so you can get notifications when I upload my new videos, so you can stay connected. And you can follow me on all social media at Bobo's Daughter. There I have links to my Etsy shop where I sell jewelry. This Ankh piece is a piece that I made by hand, just the charm. And yeah, you can find links to my Etsy shop. You can find links to my other videos. Yeah, that's how I do my eyebrows. And I get a lot of compliments on my eyebrows. So that's how I do those. And if you want to see any other kinds of videos from me, let me know. Do you want to see like a full face tutorial? Because this is like my basic makeup easy look that I do. I don't really wear much eyeshadow, so this is like something that's simple and gets me through. I already show how I do my lips to make them look juicy, so now I'm showing you guys my brows. So let me know if you want to see a video for the whole look. Do you want to see how like I feather and curl my hair? Because I did my hair, I have my bangs out of the way so y'all can see my eyebrows. But when we get the bang feather action popping, it's popping. So let me know if y'all want to see that, or just any other kind of videos. I've been kind of behind on videos, so I will be uploading another jewelry tutorial for you guys too. So it's gonna be like a 2-for-1. Y'all gonna get the brows, and y'all gonna get like something to lace y'all stuff with for when you go out. So I just want to say thanks again for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can get notified and you can stay connected and you can see all my videos when they first come out, so you can stay in the loop. And I just want to say thank you, much gratitude, much love to everyone watching this, and bye-bye.